Title: Train Your Mouth to Speak English. Scientific way to become fluent. Do you understand English, but can't speak fluently? Do you feel stuck when you try to talk? Then listen carefully, because today I will show you the real scientific way to train your mouth and speak English confidently. Most people think learning English is about grammar, but that's wrong. Speaking English is not just about knowledge. It is a physical skill. Yes, your mouth needs training, just like your body. Concept 1: Muscle memory. Let's understand something very important. Your mouth has muscles, and these muscles need practice. When you repeat words again and again, your brain and mouth start working together. This is called muscle memory, just like riding a bike, just like driving a car. At first, it feels difficult, but with practice, it becomes automatic. Concept 2: Why you can't speak now. You may ask, why can I understand English, but not speak? Because you trained your brain, but you didn't train your mouth. You listened, you read, but you didn't speak enough. And without speaking, fluency is impossible. Concept 3: Power of repetition. Science says, repetition builds strong communication skills. When you hear something and repeat it, your pronunciation improves, your confidence increases, your speaking becomes natural. Concept 4: Shadowing technique. Now here is a powerful method. Shadowing. What is shadowing? Listen to English and immediately repeat it. Same tone, same speed, same pronunciation. This method trains your brain and mouth together. At first, it feels difficult, but slowly, you will see magic. Concept 5: Daily practice routine. Let's make it simple. You don't need hours. Just follow this daily routine. Speak for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Talk about your day. Talk about your thoughts. Talk about anything. Consistency is the key, not perfection. Concept 6: Think in English. Another important step. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Simple sentences. I am going. I am eating. I am learning. Slowly, your mind will adjust, and your speaking will become faster. Concept 7: Record yourself. Here is a powerful tip. Record your voice. Listen to it. Find your mistakes. Improve daily. This is how professionals improve fast. Concept 8: Use technology today. Technology can help you. You can use apps, videos, AI tools to improve pronunciation and speaking. You can even get instant feedback, so use technology smartly. Concept 9: Remove fear. Now let's talk about the biggest problem: fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of people, fear of judgment. But listen, mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are progress. Every mistake makes you better. Concept 10: Build speaking habit. Speaking English is not a one-day process. It is a habit. Speak daily, even small sentences, even broken English. But speak, because speaking creates fluency. Imagine yourself speaking English confidently, without fear, in front of others, people listening to you, respecting you. That life is possible, but only if you start today. Remember this line: fluency comes from practice, not from perfection. So, start now, train your mouth, speak daily, and change your life. If you found this video useful, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more powerful content. Your journey starts now. Go, train your mouth, and speak English confidently.